Okay, today is the 25th of September. Twice today. Did that happen twice today? That was twice today. Twice today, they staged a sound that sounded like that Kia over there was trying to start and couldn't. So it was like a like the rattling of a carburetor or alternator. Is it a carburetor? Alternator? I know it's absolutely an alternator, but anyways, the rattling of one. And both times I looked, I'm in this room that they're mad about me being in. That truck driver arrived today, so they're still suggesting that I have some other issues with my vehicle, which I do not. They're mad about the tire. I took it out of my trunk today, and I have to ride on that donut tonight to Shawnee, Oklahoma. Okay, so about 30, maybe 40 minutes from here, to submit this assignment because I have no data, no hotspot. So about an hour and a half. Well, it's really not that much, and especially this time of night with no traffic, maybe 30 minutes. But the thing is, I can't go at a normal speed, so I'm factoring that in. I just wanted to know that that's what's happening. They're staged it twice today. They staged that sound. And they're real concerned about my vehicle moving. That truck driver hasn't cut his truck off. He's been home for about 2 hours since I came from outside. It's 10:42. Why ain't that coming in clear? 10:42. I came in at 8 p.m. So 3 hours it's been running. I came in from mowing grass a little bit and showered and started back on this.